Greetings, fellow educators. Do you find yourself in a creative pit? Do you and your students need a break from the ordinary worksheet? Are you looking to get more out of your classroom iPads or Chromebooks? Then look no further than your local App Store or Google Play Store, or Seesaw Class. Seesaw Class is a digital portfolio that encourages student creativity, student-teacher collaboration, teacher-teacher collaboration, student-parent-teacher collaboration. Seesaw Class gives teachers the opportunity to share and create activities with their class, collaborate ideas and lessons with fellow teachers, and communicate effectively with families. Let's get started. Begin by downloading Seesaw Class from either your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You will need to create an account. You can either use your school email or sign in using your Google account. Notice, your students will be able to sign in as well. That will be discussed later in the presentation. Once in, you will need to create your class. First begin by choosing the name, student to iPad ratio, and then select a grade level. Immediately after selecting a grade level, you will have the option to select the method in which your students sign into the app, either QR or email. By default, when selecting grades, pre-K through 3rd and other, the app automatically opts for a QR code and email for all other grade levels. However, towards the bottom of each selection, you can choose to alternate options. Now, you're ready to begin. Once inside, you can customize your page to fit both the needs of you and your students. Click on the wrench located at the top of the right screen. You can change the class icon, color theme, manage students, families, and more. The left side of the screen displays bits of the 5 main categories located on the right side. Student journals, which are submitted student assignments, student activities assigned by you, the teacher, teacher announcements sent to families, student skills, individualized per student needs, classroom blog, which is public to everyone. Now let's see it in action.
On the left side of the screen, we have an example of a student's completed assignment. For this activity, they wrote letters A, B, F, G, and D. Teachers, when you receive a new assignment from a student, you are prompted to review the unapproved post, and then either approve or delete. When assignments are deleted, students must redo the assignment. On the left, we have examples of some loaded student activities. To add more, we will scroll down and select Browse Activity Library to view all of the activities. Once in, we can choose a grade level ranging from pre-K until grade 12, a subject ranging from art to writing and everything in between. So let's go ahead and choose reading. And notice the selection of activities that are included in the page, writing and reading out loud. And since we've already saved some favorites, we will select My Library and the activity labeled Past, Present, Future, Verb Tense Activity. Notice that if you do not find an activity you desire, you can always create a new one. So let's go ahead and select the activity. It shows us a preview of what the student will see in their app. Then we will click to unload by clicking Share, and we can choose with whom we want to share. Finally, we will go back to class to return to our home page. Here is an example of the student view. Students will have the same app downloaded on an iPad, but depending on the settings, will need to sign in using a QR code or email. Similar to the teacher version, the left side shows bits of the 3 main categories on the right side of the screen: journal, activities, and inbox for teacher announcements. The activity we loaded earlier can be found under the section labeled Activities. Students will scroll to find the activity and select Add. To open the activity, students will select View Instructions at the top of the page. To obtain a detailed explanation of how to complete the activity. For this activity, students will fill in the missing words and then submit to the teacher. The activity will show on their screen under Journal as completed work. Let's review that student assignment one more time. In this student example, we see the student misspelled a few words, which will tell us we need to review verb tenses with the student. So let's go ahead and improve this assignment. As we mentioned earlier, Seesaw encourages student-parent-teacher collaboration. Teachers can invite families to join the class either through the online website or by downloading the app Seesaw Family. From here, parents can view completed and approved student assignments as well as like or add a comment. And check for teacher messages and assignment notifications.
Let's recap. Seesaw Class is a digital portfolio that encourages student creativity, student-teacher collaboration, teacher-teacher collaboration, student-parent-teacher collaboration. Seesaw Class gives teachers the opportunity to share and create activities with their class, collaborate ideas and lessons with fellow teachers, and communicate effectively with families. It is compatible with iPads, desktop, and Chromebooks, and suitable for all grade levels and subjects. If you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for?